Namaste. So Prema from LG brand. So today we are making for the recipe of egg platter. So for the egg platter ingredients I have taken here. So it's a onion, capsicum, green chili, garam masala, dhania powder, chili powder, salt to taste, 3 eggs, cheese, so tomato sauce, mayonnaise, ginger garlic paste and 3 spoons of oil. So in the bowl first we can mix for the all the ingredients. So mix it and keep it for the microwave for 3 minutes. And this is a grated paneer also we kept here. You can add all the vegetables. Yes, ma. Ah, okay. So this is a masala. I'll add it. So for this, we can add for the ginger garlic paste. This is a spoon of the ginger. A spoon of garlic. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So this is we can mix well. This we can keep for the microwave for 3 minutes. Micro 900 power for 3 minutes we can cook. So while the time I can beat the egg. So 3 eggs I have taken here. So we can beat the egg nicely. Three minutes is done. So now I can take it out. See here, it cooks nicely. Okay. So for this, I can add for the grated cheese. Sorry, grated paneer. For this, I can add for 1 spoon of mayonnaise. And 1 spoon of tomato sauce. So while the time I can use for the air convection 200-degree preheat the oven. Okay. So this is we can mix well. So now I can here I beated the egg on this. So you want to use a blender for the egg beating, you can use for the egg beating blender. So this is so I can pour it on top of this. So now I can use it for the low grill rack with a multi-cook pan. See now it's good for the preheating. So once the preheated get done, I'll keep inside for the thing and set for the time 18 minutes. 18 minutes and start. So after the 14 minutes, we can grate the cheese on that. Okay. So now it's a leftover for the, in the 18 minutes, it's leftover for the 4 minutes will be leftover. So now I can open the door. See, it's nicely, it's baked here. See, ma'am, nicely baked that. So now in this top of that, I can grate the cheese. So again, I can keep inside for this. Close the door and start the button. Start the button. It will be remaining for 3 minutes. So egg platter is ready. Just have a look. Thank you.